It is usually said that if you truly desire for something, then the whole universe will unite to help you find it. This dialogue perfectly fits our today's book, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Welcome back to my channel Digibook Summary. Here you can listen your favorite audiobook summaries and you can share them with your friend. So are you ready to unlock the mysteries of life and manifest your deepest desire? Well, I have got a secret for you. Imagine a world where you have the power to create your own reality, where your thoughts can shape your destiny. The secret is like a treasure map that guides you to a life filled with abundance, happiness, and success. But wait, what is secret? You will definitely ask. Well, it is a law of attraction, a simple yet profound concept that says you attract into your life what you focus on. If you think positive thoughts, you'll draw positive things in your way. It's like the universe is your personal genie, ready to grant your wishes. This audiobook is your guide to understanding the harnessing the law of attraction. Rhonda Byrne takes you on a journey through desires, insights, and practical tips. You will learn how to set clear intentions, visualize your dreams, and let the universe work its magic. The secret isn't about wishful thinking. It's about taking actions, believing in yourself, and unleashing your potential. It's like having a secret superpower that can transform your life. So let's discover this book. Chapter 1: The Power of Thoughts. Let me start by asking you this question. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have all the luck while others face constant challenges? Well, there is a secret to it, and it's all about the way you think. Imagine waking up in the morning and thinking, today is going to be a fantastic day. What do you think will happen? You start noticing things around you. You start noticing good is happening around you, and your day becomes better. That is the magic of the law of attraction. But what's the law of attraction, you ask? It's like a superpower hidden within you. It says that these thoughts you put out into the universe come back to you. If you focus on positive things, you'll definitely attract positivity. If you focus on negativity, well, you get that idea. In The Secret, Rhonda Byrne reveals this astonishing concept and guides us on how to use it to our advantage. Your thoughts are like messages to the universe, and it's ready to grant your wishes. The first step is simple. Start paying attention to your thoughts. Are they mostly negative, worried, or fearful? It's time to shift gears and start thinking about what you want in life, not what you don't want in your life. Now, as we journey through this chapter, you will discover how to put this incredible knowledge into action. But for now, remember this. Your thoughts are like the steering wheel of your life. What you think, you become. So keep your seatbelt fastened because your life is about to take an exciting turn. It's time to unveil the history and origin of the law of attraction, the amazing secret that's been hiding in plain sight. Now you might be wondering, where did this incredible secret come from? Well, it's not as new as you might think. It's been around for ages but kept hidden throughout the history. Let's uncover the truth about this secret. The law of attraction has been a powerful force used by some of the most successful people in the world. But why hasn't everyone been talking about it? That's because for a long time, this secret was hidden. It was well-guarded key to success. Rhonda Byrne takes us on a journey to reveal the origins of law of attraction, and you'll be surprised to learn that it's not just a new age concept. It's been used by centuries by visionaries, inventors, and leaders who shaped our world. This chapter is like opening the doors to hidden treasure, chest of knowledge, as we learn more about this secret history and its impact on people's lives. You will see just how powerful this knowledge can be. Chapter 3, How to Use Secret. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to put the law of attraction into action. So, are you ready to make your dreams a reality? You might be wondering, how can I use this powerful secret in my own life? Well, Rhonda Byrne has your back, and she is going to guide us through these steps. First, it's all about asking for what you want. Sounds simple, right? But many people forget to ask. You have got to be clear about your desires and put them out into the universe. Think of it like placing an order with Cosmic Kitchen. Next thing is believing. You got to believe that what you want, what you ask for is on its way to you. It's like having unwavering faith that your order will be delivered, no matter what. And finally, it's time to receive. Be open and receptive to the opportunities and signs that come your way. It's like checking your doorstep for your cosmic delivery. These 3 steps are like the magic formula for the law of attraction. Ask, believe, and receive. Rhonda Byrne provides us with practical exercise to help you put these steps into practice. This chapter is like instruction manual for making your dreams come true. It's all about applying the law of attraction in your everyday life. The universe is ready to grant your wishes. You just need to know how to ask. It's time for chapter 4 of The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. And this chapter is all about discovering the powerful processes that can help you harness the law of attraction. Think of these processes as tools in your toolbox to create the life you desire. Let's dive in and see what's waiting for us. Number 1 is visualization. Ever daydream about your perfect life? Well, that's the form of visualization. So, in this chapter, you will learn how to create a clear mental picture of what you want. This process is like creating a mental vision board to attract your desires. Like imagining anything you want. For example, if you want a beautiful car, red car, just visualize yourself that you're sitting in the car and you're driving the car, your hands on your steering, and you're just driving and being happy. So that's the visualization. You need to visualize what you want in your life. So second number is gratitude. Gratitude is a magical attitude. It's about appreciating what you have in the present, and by doing so, you'll attract more of what you're thankful for. So it's like magnet for the abundance. Number 3 is positive affirmations. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. By repeating positive affirmations, you are reprogramming your mind for success. It's like planting seeds of positivity in your mental garden. These processes are like your superpowers. They help you fine tune your thoughts and emotions to align them with your desires. Rhonda Byrne provides practical guidance on how to use these processes effectively. Chapter 5, The Secret to Money. Chapter 5 of The Secret by Rhonda Byrne is all about a topic that's on many people's minds: money. In this chapter, we'll explore how to use the law of attraction to attract wealth and abundance in your life. Now, who wouldn't want a little extra financial magic in their life? Well, let's see how this magic works. First of all, it's essential to understand that your thoughts about money play a significant role in your financial situation. If you're constantly worrying about not having enough, you are likely to continue experiencing financial difficulties. But with this law of attraction, you can change your money mindset. This chapter guides us how to focus on abundance, believing that you can have more and be open to receiving it. By shifting your thoughts and feelings about money, you can create more prosperous reality. The universe is like a bank ready to deposit financial abundance into your life account. Rhonda Byrne shares the stories and techniques that inspires us to reshape our relationship and money. So get ready to transform your financial outlook, because in the world of The Secret, wealth is just a thought away. Chapter 6, The Secret to Relationships. Chapter 6 of The Secret, Rhonda Byrne, is all about something we hold dear, relationships. In this chapter, we'll delve into how the law of attraction influences the connections we have with others. Now, let me ask you this question. Have you ever wondered why some people have amazing relationships with others while others struggle in this department? Well, it all comes down to the power of your thoughts and your emotions. Your thoughts about your relationships have a direct impact on the people you attract and the quality of those connections. This chapter will guide you on how to use the law of attraction to create and maintain positive and loving relationships. In this chapter, we will learn that people in our life are like mirrors, reflecting our thoughts and feelings back to us. By focusing on love, gratitude, and appreciation, you can transform your relationships into something beautiful. Rhonda once shares the stories of people who have used the law of attractions to find love, strengthen bond, and heal broken relationships. It's like a guide to becoming a magnet for the kind of connections you truly desire. So get ready to open your heart, adjust your thoughts about your relationships you want, and watch as the universe bring you the people who align with your refound positivity. Your path to better connections is just beginning. Chapter 7, The Secret to Health. Chapter 7 of the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne explores a topic we all cherish, our health. In this chapter, we'll uncover how the law of attraction can positively influence your well being. Your health is truly your wealth, and it's not just about eating right and exercising. Your thoughts and feelings play a vital role in your overall health. Let's see how. By embracing a positive attitude and focusing on well being, you can help your body heal and thrive. This chapter provides insight and techniques for using the law of attraction to maintain, restore your health. Rhonda once shares the stories of individuals who have used the power of their thoughts to overcome health challenges and enjoy vibrant well being. It's like having a secret prescription for healthier, happier life. So get ready to transform your health by changing your thoughts and emotions. Your body is a remarkable instrument, and by harnessing the law of attraction, you can unlock its incredible potential. Your journey to better health is about to begin. Chapter 8, The Secret to the World. Chapter 8 of the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne delves into the profound idea of how our collective thoughts and the law of attraction can impact the world on a grand scale. It's about realizing that our individual vibrations, emotions, and intentions are not isolated but have a ripple effect on the entire universe. This chapter challenges us to recognize the power of positivity and unity. When individuals come together with a shared intention of making the world a better place, their collective energy can bring about transformative change. Think of it as a global synergy of positive thoughts and intentions. It's about understanding that the state of the world is reflection of our collective consciousness. When our collective focus is on love, peace, and harmony, we have the ability to create a world that mirrors these qualities. Throughout the chapter, Rhonda Byrne shares inspiring stories of people who have harnessed the principle to affect the change in their communities and on a large scale. These stories serve as living example of how when we come together with a common intention, we can truly make difference. In essence, chapter 8 encourages us to recognize our own role in shaping the world's destiny. It invites us to be conscious co-creators of world filled with compassion, understanding, and goodwill. By harnessing the law of attraction and directing our thoughts and emotions towards positive change, we can be a part of global transformation. This chapter is a reminder that the power of our thoughts extend far, far beyond our individual lives. It can create a collective way of transformation that reaches every corner of the earth. It's an empowering call to be mindful of our thoughts and to use them to create better world for all. Chapter 9, The Secret to You. In chapter 9 of the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, we are diving deep into a chapter that's all about you. It's a treasure trove of self-discovery and personal empowerment. Have you ever felt like there is so much untapped potential within you? You're absolutely right. There is reservoir of untapped power, dreams, and talents waiting to be unleashed. This chapter is your guide to realizing your full potential. It's like a roadmap to becoming the best version of yourself. Rhonda Byrne shares powerful stories of people who have harnessed the law of attraction to reach their highest potential. You will learn to tap into your inner strength, discover your true purpose, and create a life that aligns with your dreams. It's like finding the key to unlock the door to your greatest desire. The law of attraction is not just a concept, it's about a force that can guide you towards your life's purpose and dreams. With the knowledge and techniques shared in this chapter, you can uncover your true self and start living the life that's beyond your wildest imagination. So get ready to embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery and personal transformation. This is your time to shine and become the person you were always meant to be. Your potential is limitless, and with the law of attraction, you have the key to unlock it. It's time to wrap up this enlightening adventure. The Secret is not just a book, it's a guide to transforming your life. It's a treasure chest of knowledge that reveals the hidden power of the law of attraction. And now, as we conclude our exploration, we have uncovered the ultimate secret, the secret of living your best life. Throughout this book, we have learned that your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. They act like magnets attracting to your life what you focus on. The law of attraction is not a fleeting concept, it's a lifelong gift that you can use to create the life you have always dreamed of. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your deepest desire. It's like painting a masterpiece on the canvas of your life. Your journey is just beginning, and it's filled with endless possibilities. As we conclude, remember that the power is in your hand. Your thoughts are your greatest allies. By embracing the law of attraction, you can unlock your true potential, live your dreams, and create the life that's beyond your wildest imagination. So go out there and embrace this secret as a way of your life. Your life is blank canvas, and you hold the paintbrush. It's time to create a masterpiece. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the secret. May your life be filled with abundance, happiness, and all the success you deserve. Let me know how did you find this book in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know what summary would you like to hear from us. Till then, take care. Bye.